Today I come to lecture 6, Hosper's view regarding analytic and synthetic propositions. Analytic propositions are propositions that have the predicate already present as a part of the subject. In other words, the predicate merely repeats something which is a part of the subject. That is why the negation of these propositions lead to self-contradiction. Synthetic propositions, on the other hand, add something more to the meaning of the subject. They tell us something fresh. That is why they are true or false. Quite in reverse of analytic propositions, the synthetic propositions do not rely on the terms they deal with. They are concerned with sense experience and the terms and the empirical world. These considerations are accepted by Hospers, who also felt that a priori and analytic propositions are connected and a posteriori and empirical propositions are connected. Therefore, he seems to be in agreement with rationalism. But Hospers also makes certain observations, which are: firstly, a strict demarcation between analytic and synthetic propositions are untenable, because in mathematics we find that that we need a synthetic action to understand the analytical nature of its propositions. So, a strong division between synthetic and analytic propositions should not be there. Secondly, he felt that analytic propositions are valid only due to repetition, whereas synthetic propositions are about empirical facts. Thirdly, he felt that mathematical propositions are based on empirical verification because just symbols and terms mean nothing until and unless they are actually perceived. Thus, the mind actively involves itself in understanding mathematical truths. Thus, the mind grasps and blends the propositions. So, the synthetic and analytic blend into each other to make something clear. I hope you have understood what Hospers is trying to say. He is trying to say that synthetic and analytic blur into each other, they mix and blend in order to make something clear to us as knowledge. Today I end here and I will come with a fresh lecture in my next video. Thank you.